In this video, you'll learn how to add bullet points in Webflow. By following these steps, you will be able to create organized lists in your web design projects with ease. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Webflow site. If you have an existing project, select it to start editing. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will enhance your... Once you are in the Webflow designer, locate the panel on the left side of the screen. You will see a plus icon, which represents adding elements. Click on this icon to open the elements panel, where you can choose various components to add to your page. Next, find the elements tab within the panel that appears. This section contains all the available elements you can incorporate into your design. When you click on elements, a list of options will display, including text, images, and more. After that, look for the search bar within the elements panel. Click on the search field and type in list. This action narrows down the options to show only relevant elements, making it easier to find what you need. Once you see the list element in the search results, click on it. This action will allow you to add a list structure to your design. You should see the list element appear on your canvas, ready for customization. Now click on the list element to select it, and then click on the plus icon again to add new elements to your list. This will open the elements panel once more, enabling you to add items to your list. Next, you need to type in the text you want to include in your bullet points. After typing your desired text, drag it into the list element you previously placed on the canvas. This action will create a bullet point with the text you entered. Finally, repeat the previous step for each additional bullet point you want to add. You can customize the text for each point to reflect the information you wish to present. Once satisfied with your list, review the layout to ensure it meets your design standards. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.